If your home was listed in 2025 and it sat and the offers never came, let me say this clearly. That does not mean that your home can't sell, but it does mean something in this strategy failed. And if you repeat that same strategy in 2026, you'll get the same result. Here's a hard truth most sellers don't want to hear. In 2025, buyers changed. They became far more selective, more value-driven, more ruthless about skipping anything that felt overpriced, outdated, or stale. And most homes that didn't sell weren't rejected because of location or condition. They were ignored because of pricing, presentation, or positioning. If your listing felt even slightly off, buyers moved on without a second thought. And once a home goes stale, the market starts questioning it. Let me give you a real-world example. We work with some sellers whose homes sat for months in 2025. Almost no showing, zero momentum, no offers, total frustration. They assumed that buyer demand just wasn't there, but that wasn't the issue. We reset the strategy, updated the photos, refreshed the staging, adjusted the price using hyperlocal data, and relaunched it correctly. What happened? Multiple showings the first week, very strong interest, and a sale shortly thereafter. The buyers weren't avoiding the house. They were avoiding the way it was positioned. When those variables changed, the outcome changed. Now imagine this. It's January or February 2026. Your home hits the market looking sharp, priced correctly, marketed intentionally. Buyers see it for the first time, not as a stale relist, but as a fresh opportunity. Less competition, more motivated buyers, stronger negotiating position. That's what a relaunch does, and it starts by getting these 4 things right. Number 1, reprice using hyperlocal data. County averages don't sell homes. Today's buyers compare your home to the 5 they saw last weekend. Pricing has to reflect current neighborhood behavior, not last year's peak. Next, upgrade the presentation. In 2025, mediocre photos killed listings. For a January-February relaunch, focus on decluttering, fresh staging, minor repairs, clean landscaping, new professional photography, or drone footage. The reason? Perception shapes demand. And number 3, reset the digital footprint. If buyers already saw your listing, reposting it won't work. You need new photos, new descriptions, new targeting. It must feel brand new to the market. And finally, leverage early 2026 timing. January and February buyers are serious. They're decisive, they're pre-approved, they're focused. Less inventory means more visibility. Your home is positioned correctly. If your home didn't sell in 2025, you're not stuck. But doing the same thing again is insanity, according to Einstein. So if you want a clear, honest review of your pricing, photos, and overall relaunch strategy, reach out to us at Yoder Real Estate. You can find us at soldbyyoder.com. And before you hire any agent, download our free guide, 9 critical questions to ask before hiring a real estate agent. Raise the standard, change the strategy, and get the result that your home deserves.